Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the BOLT-200 mid-calf unisex combat boots in black vegan leather by Demonia. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Now I'm just going to get them both out of the box so that we can start to unwrap them. You can also buy these direct from Demonia Cult if you are in a different location, but we offer free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Okay, now we're going to unwrap them, and this has got branded Demonia wrapping paper. So here we have them. Now this is a lace-up boot with 10 eyelets and round shoelaces, but I'm not going to do them up all the way today. It also has a Demonia logo on the back pull tab at the top there. These have a fairly flat sole with a stacked heel that raises the back end to 1¼ inches. And of course, for ease of taking them on and off, we have the metal inner side zipper. So once you've done up all your laces, then you can get them on and off just by using the zipper. Let me unzip them so we can have a look at the inside. So this is a simple but classic military style boot, and it's suitable for vegan footwear lovers with all man-made materials. It does have a little bit of soft padding on the inside of the boot as well. So here are your laces. It's got the round laces. I'll be dropping all the details in the description box below for this video. And this model comes in unisex range of men's sizes in USA 4 to 14, which you can also convert to the woman's USA 6 to 16 or European 36 to 46. So let us know in the comments what you think of this style, and let us know if this is something that you would wear. I'm going to grab this other one so we can just have another look, and then we're going to put them together as well. I just like to give you a look from every angle possible. So hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel and help us grow, and that way it'll help us to make more of these unboxing videos for you. Don't forget to drop a comment below to let us know what you think. We read every comment and we try to always respond. You can also let us know what shoe model you want to see unboxed next time. We currently stock Demonia, New Rock and TUK styles, so if it's one of them, we'll see what we can do to make the unboxing video happen. So before I finish up, here are some angles of them both together. Well, that's all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favorite styles. Thanks for watching.